Hello everyone. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we'll study 35 most important multiple choice questions on the chapter Keeping Quiet from your book Flamingo, class 12th. So let's begin. But before that, I would like to remind you you have to tell me in comment section how many of your answers you did correctly. The questions you attempted correctly before me. I'll provide you some time before answering. So let's begin. Question number 1. The poet advises the people not to speak. Options: French, English, Hindi, any language. So what is our correct option? The poet advises the people not to speak what? Any language. He advises the people not to speak any language. Question number 2. What does the poem speak about? The necessity to be happy, the necessity to introspect, understand, and have feelings of brotherhood, the necessity to work quietly, none. Which one? The necessity to introspect, understand, and have feelings of brotherhood. This is our correct option. Question number 3 now. What does counting up to 12 signify and how will it help? Hours of the day, months of a year, it will help to create peace and harmony. So all the options are correct. It is about 12 hours of a day, it is about 12 months of a year, and not only that, it will help to create peace and harmony. So all of these. What is our correct option? All of these. Question number 4. What kind of moment would it be when everyone is silent? It would be a rare moment. And what is that rare moment? That rare moment is exotic. So, what is our correct option? Exotic moment. Question number 5. The men in clean clothes would be walking with their what? Why should the men adopt a different approach, different attitude to walk with their brothers, friends, sisters? None of these. What is correct option? Brothers. To walk with their brothers. I hope you are doing well. Question number 6. What is the original language of the poem? You know the answer. Pablo Neruda is a Spanish poet. So, what is the original language of the poem? It is Spanish. Next question. What is the essence or message of the poem? Introspection and retrospection. To prosper, to be happier, to reach out more people. You can easily answer this question. Yes, introspection and retrospection, self examination. Next question, question number 8. Who would look at his hurt hands? From the poem, you can easily find it. If you have noticed the poem, you can easily answer it. Who would look at his hurt hands? Man gathering garbage, man gathering salt, man catching fish, none of these. So, what is the correct option? Man gathering salt. Will have some time to look at his hurt hands. According to the poet, what creates barriers? Interactions, reactions, fighting, languages. So, what is the correct option for us? Yes, languages. The last option, that is D, languages. Question number 10 now. What, according to the poet, would interrupt the sadness of man's life? From your poem, you can easily answer it. What will interrupt the sadness of man's life? Great laugh, huge silence, arguments, none of these. So, which option? Option B, use silence. Now, the next one. What is the rhyming scheme used in the poem? Enclosed rhyme, monorhyme, sonnet, free verse. So, which one? This poem doesn't follow any rhyme scheme. So, what is our correct option? Free verse. Whenever a poem does not follow any particular rhyme scheme, it is known as free verse. So, what is the rhyme scheme of this poem? Keeping quiet, free verse. Next question, question number 12. Have no truck with death means. What is the meaning of have no truck? According to the poem, do not die under truck, have no association or deal with death, will not drive a truck, all of these. So, what is our correct option? The correct option for us is have no association or deal with death. No argument, no discussion on the topic death. Question number 13 now. According to the poet, wars that are fought have no. You can easily answer it. Weapons, soldiers, survivors, none. So, what will be our correct option? Survivors. Yes, survivors. Now, question number 14. What can human beings learn from nature? Options: beauty, keeping quiet, to be happy, working with silence. So, what is the correct option for us? What can we learn from nature? Yes, the last one, working with silence. Now, the next one, question number 15. What does number 12 represent? Hours of the day and months of a year. There are 12 hours in a day and 12 months in a year. And not only that, 60, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. And all these are exactly divisible by 12. Even 360-degree, that is the complete degree, complete angle that completes the earth, can also be divided exactly by 12. So, what is this? What does number 12 represent? Here, from these options, hours of day and months of a year. So, what is our correct option? Hours of day and months of a year. Let's see the next one. Question number 16. What does the poem Keeping Quiet teach us? What is the teaching of the poem Keeping Quiet? Options: how to maintain silence, not to make noise, Speaking creates noise. To be peaceful, thoughtful, and have feelings of brotherhood. So, what is the correct option for us? To be peaceful, thoughtful, and have feelings of brotherhood. Now, question number 17. Not move our arms. What does this expression refer to? What is the meaning of this expression, this phrase? Not move our arms. Sit quietly, stand quietly, to be inactive, sitting still without any movement. So, what is our correct option out of these options? Yes, the fourth one, sitting still without any movement. Actually, this word arms can be used in two ways. One is hands, another weapon. Question number 18. Man needs to learn a lesson from. Who can teach us a lesson? Now you can easily answer the question. Who can teach a lesson? The earth can teach a lesson. What can teach a lesson? The earth can teach a lesson. Question number 19. What should not be confused with total inactivity or death? We have options: no movement, a statue, talking people, stillness and silence. So, what is our correct option? Stillness and silence. Yes. What should not be confused with total inactivity or death? Stillness and silence should not be confused, should not be misunderstood with total inactivity or death. What can be a cure or an antidote to violent actions? We have options: speaking practice, wise words, polished language, practice of silence. So, which option is correct option for us? I hope you have answered it correctly. The fourth one, practice of silence, is the antidote or cure to violent actions. 21. What is the sadness in the poem that the poet speaks about? What is the sadness? Options: violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people, unnecessary movements, speaking aloud, fighting. I hope you have answered it correctly. Yes, the first one, violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people. Let's see the next one. Question number 22. What does the earth symbolize? What is represented by the earth? Perseverance, a new beginning from seemingly stillness, greenery, prosperity. Which option is correct option for us? Yes, the very first option. Perseverance, a new beginning from seemingly stillness. It seems that it is totally inactive. It seems it is dead, but ultimately, as soon as the weather changes, it is alive once again. Question number 23. What is always alive even when everything seems to be dead or still? I just talked about it in last question. Sand, man, earth and nature, none of these. So what is the correct option for us? Earth and nature. Very good. Question number 24. Why does the poet request people to keep quiet? Option 1, to maintain silence, to avoid noise, to be friendly, to become more thoughtful and peaceful. You can easily answer this question. Yes, the last one, to become more thoughtful and peaceful. Now the next one, 25. Do tell me in comment section how many of your answers were correct. And if you find the video useful for you, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Question number 25. What does the poet want people to do for 1 second? For a moment, to sing, to close eyes, to stand quietly, to be silent and motionless. To be silent and motionless. So, what does he want? He wants us to be silent and motionless. Next one, 26. How can the moments of no activity help people? They will be healthy, they will be happy, they will work easily, to relax and be more thoughtful. So it will help in relaxing, getting relaxation, and be more thoughtful. So what is correct option for us? To relax and be more thoughtful. Option D. Question number 27. What will happen if there are no engines and no crowd? No noise, no crowd, no traffic rush, a perfect happy moment. So, what would be our correct option? Yes, a perfect happy moment. Option D is the correct option. Why is the moment of silence called exotic, rare? Because of the beautiful scenery around, because of the gathering, because of large gathering, because of perfect peace and harmony. Yes, the last option, because of perfect peace and harmony. Now, question number 29. What would everyone feel at that exotic moment, at that rare moment? Happy, content, dancing, strange, blissful oneness. So, what is the correct option for us? Strange, blissful oneness. Now, question number 30. What is poet's pen name? It's very easy. You can easily answer. Yes, Pablo Neruda. Question number 31. Why is the poet asking everyone not to speak any language? To avoid noise, to avoid loud voices, to avoid people, to avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. So, what is the correct option? Yes, option D, to avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. Now, question number 32. What is the poet expecting from fishermen? To find more fish, to go deeper into the sea, to think and stop harming the fish. So, what is the correct option for us? To think and stop harming the fish. Question number 33. Cold sea is an example of literary device. Which literary device is used in cold sea? Personification, transferred epithet, pun, synecdoche. It is transferred epithet. Question number 34, that is second last. in the video. What does hurt hand refer to? Growing needs of the man, growing greed of man, unfulfilled desires, growing insensitivity of a man to pain. So, what is correct option for us? Growing insensitivity of man to pain. Now, the last question. I would like to remind you once again to tell me in comment section how many of your answers were correct out of these 35 questions. So do remember to tell me what was your score out of 35. How will silence benefit the man and nature? Both will be friends. Man will know nature better. Man will be healthy. Man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves. So, what is correct option for us? Option D. Man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves.